Discover this hidden gem in the beautiful Bronx on a Lakes condominium. Nestled in a private gated community, this walk-in villa invites you with a serene waterside boardwalk and a private park-like setting. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group. Come on, let's take a look. Inside, the spacious open floor plan is bathed in natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. The main level features the luxurious master ensuite, offering a haven for relaxation with its lavish walk-in shower. Venture downstairs to discover two generously sized bedrooms, a welcoming gathering area, and a convenient wet bar perfect for entertaining guests. This beautiful villa comes with a coveted 14x40 boat slip with lift and two PWC slips with lifts, awaiting at the community dock just moments away. Opportunities like this are rare and fleeting, so seize the moment to create lasting memories in this oasis of luxury and tranquility. Give me a call today for your private showing.